Our world has changed, and it is certain that the law is an important instrument of this change. Law has revolutionized society in the third millennium. Today's modern jurisprudence promotes new ideas, new concepts, and new institutions. Heir of a rich tradition, American law has evolved into a reference standard for the world's legal traditions. The increasing prominence of the United States is equally reflected in its evolving jurisprudence. Each day, an increasing number of multinational corporations expand their worldwide presence, seeking a synthesis and interface between American law and European business practices. Today, the international lingua franca of business is English, and the world's multinational agreements are drafted and signed under the influence of the American legal system. Globalization is a reality, and within the process of globalization, the law of the United States of America occupies a special place of honor. It protects and improves it. U.S. law cannot, however, accomplish this improvement in isolation from the world's legal systems. We must therefore work to unite two of humanity's grand legal traditions, American law and continental European law. From this synthesis, new institutions will emerge and new, more modern law designed to address an evolving equality among all peoples.
The Supreme Court within the United States is the highest judicial authority, and the Supreme Court of the United States establishes the interpretation and application of federal law within the United States. So that's the easy part of your question. The reason it's important outside of the United States, though, is that our country remains an important player in the global economy, and certainly an important player in the international community more broadly. So international law will be interpreted by the Supreme Court. The way in which intellectual property rights, the way in which banking regulations, the way in which corporations may behave, all of our federal laws are interpreted finally by the Supreme Court of the United States. And so naturally, being a major player, this has broad ramifications around the world.
Established to meet this need by the Gertrude Ryan Foundation, the Gertrude Ryan Law Observatory works to build bridges between the world's modern legal systems and modern American law. An unprecedented pioneering effort in Europe, the Gertrude Ryan Law Observatory unites academics from around the world dedicated to the study of today's modern, evolving jurisprudence and the important doctrinal evolution of the U.S. legal system. Experts agree that the future successful evolution of our legal system requires a harmonization of the grand legal traditions of American law and European continental law. A synthesis and exchange of experience on behalf of the world's legal traditions can provide the foundation of a new legal system for all humanity. It is the sincere desire of the Gertrude Ryan Foundation to contribute to this fascinating and challenging process. With your help, we can make a difference.